The garden has its secrets. And today, I'm about to share one that could change the way you grow forever. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, natural trick that can protect your plants, boost their growth, and it only takes 2 ingredients you already have at home. In your hand rests a single tomato, not for the kitchen, but for a little green magic. Take your tomato and slice it cleanly in half. The fresh scent of its juice tells you it's ripe with natural acids and sugars, perfect for what's next. Reach for your cinnamon powder. This warm, fragrant spice isn't just for baking. In the garden, it's a natural antifungal, a protector against rot and disease. Sprinkle a generous pinch over the cut surface of the tomato until it glows golden brown. Now, take that cinnamon-coated half and gently rub it along the surface of a branch or stem. Feel the moisture and spice coat the wood. This is where nature's defense system kicks in. What you've just done is more than a simple trick. You've combined the tomato's natural growth-promoting enzymes with cinnamon's protective shield, an old gardener's method to encourage healing, discourage pests, and invite new life. In the garden, small acts like this can create big changes, and sometimes the most powerful tools aren't found in the shed, but right in your kitchen. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a like, share it with a fellow gardener, and subscribe for more simple tricks to keep your garden thriving. Until next time, happy growing!